Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add emoji effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this, in here you just click on the all effect at the bottom, click on it, and then in here you just click on the pitch. And now in here you can see emoji effect, so you just click on it. And then in here you can see emoji effect 1 until 6. You can choose the emoji that you want. This is the emoji effect 1. This is the emoji effect 3. This is a 5, and this is a 6. You can choose the emoji effect that you want, but in here I wanna use 3, so you just click on the 3, and then in here you just click a down in here and finish. So that's how to add emoji effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.